hope you're having fun. I know I'm having fun. Enjoying the weather, all of the lovely things. Hope you're not getting sick of seeing the same outfit, because I'm sorry I didn't change my shirt. But filming videos is, you know, it's kind of lonely, and I just didn't feel like changing my clothes, and I have to do 7 of them, and so it's a lot. So today we are going to do the quick change. If this was a TikTok, I would snap my fingers and it would be done. But we are going to change. I pulled out one of my decor pieces that I used for Christmas. Okay? The fox, the joy, the everything. I am going to redo, like, this is so fast. 5-minute quick change, all right? So let me bring you down and show you exactly what we're going to do. We are going to take out our board from our board and base, and we are going to refresh this. We're going to leave it the way it is, and we're just going to fluff it up from storage or whatever. You're going to take your board, get a little water on there, okay? Get it all nice and wet. And now you can do a couple things. One, you can start using your paste scraper and get all that chalk off of there into like a little chalky mess, okay? And then start cleaning it from there. And I'm just gonna wipe my scraper off and then kind of get all of this gooiness off of there, all that chalk. Then I'm gonna take my board eraser, and you're just going to clean off the rest of this. Looks good. Now we just need to dry it. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of wipe this clean with my towel, and we are good to go. Isn't that awesome? Ready to go. So easy. I'm going to take my transfer. All is safely gathered in, and I love the little wheat stalks on here. Down here, I love that part. So I am going to mark the back. All of the products that I'm using today are available on my website. You can easily find my shopping website by going to CreativeSarah.com and clicking the shop button. So I'm going to stick this down. I am bringing it up just a little because I'm putting it in the board and base, so you can see some of it like disappear. So I'm putting it up just a little bit. No wrinkles. We don't want any wrinkles. Now, the color palette I'm going to use is white and eucalyptus and gold. So beautiful, beautiful colors here. I'm going to open each one of them up. Let me go ahead and stir up my white. Here we go. And my gold and my eucalyptus. Oh, some of my most favorite colors, just FYI. Give it a little stir. Our gold is a shimmer, so you're gonna love that. And then I'm gonna use let's see. I know that I'm gonna use gold for these little down here, these little things. Awesome. Okay, so I got that done. Then I think I'll use gold for the stripes. Let's just do, you know, gold on the kind of the borders. There you go. Super pretty. And I'm thinking I think I'd like to do white for these little swirly ones, the swirly font. So it just takes a little, there we go, to get it all. And then this word here in. Okay, there we go. All right, and then we're gonna do, I may have to do another gold. I think just one word. We're gonna do gathered in this pretty eucalyptus color. There we go. Well, I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm sure I am, because I'm not in the snow, right? As long as I'm not in the snow, I should be good. And we'll do another gold word, or a gold word. Okay. Here we go. I see a tiny bit of white. There we go. Okay. Now we're going to peel and reveal. Hold it down. Very seriously, like a 5 to 10 minute upgrade on your decor. Now I'm going to go wash this off so that I can use it again another time. And I'm just washing it with water and our little board eraser. Super easy, super fast. Get all the chalk off. And then you're going to let it dry with the sticky side up. So you can lay it down flat and let that sticky side come up. Super easy. All right, and then all your little tools, you just kind of wipe them off, and these will go into your water as well, and you can wash those up. Everything, all of our chalk paste, all of our ink, everything washes with water. So easy. And then we can just close this up and reuse them when we need to. This is going to dry. We're going to get this dry. While I'm drying, I want to give you a couple tidbits of information. If you have not joined our chalk club, what are you waiting for? Type club in the comments and I will send you a link so that you can see what our whole chalk club is all about. And if you're not in my free group, go ahead and type add me in the comments and I'll send you a link for that. That is my VIP group where you're going to get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. And finally, if you're curious about becoming a designer, I would love to give you all the info for that. Just type team in the comments and I'll send you a link. I'm going to pop this right into that same holder that I already had done. How cute. You've got the gold leaf here. You've got the white, the black, some other gold things. Isn't that awesome? Reuse your embellishments. Just redo this. It's like a 5-10 minute project and you've refreshed your decor. I'm so glad you guys, I'm so glad you were watching with me. Sorry, I know you couldn't see that. I'm gonna re-show you, re-fluff. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you back here next time. Make sure you are following and subscribe to my channel and I will see you next time. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.